Cheers, buddy.
Here. Can't see him, he's all camouflaged up. Hiding. Look at there. Big old red backpack so we don't lose him. There's a big hole over there somewhere.
Grand Canyon, Arizona.
We're experiencing a little bit of weather.
It's 11:30 a.m. 11:30 a.m. on Thursday,
Yeah.
December 18th. Probably about noon, huh?
We have, what, 5.6 miles?
4.6 miles.
4.6 miles to go today down through this, and hopefully get below snow line pretty soon.
Yeah.
Turn it on you.
That old guy said, I think they might be by that first one.
What's up?
See that sign where it says don't go around? You know, I think they put that there.
Oh, you think it's over? Still snowing on us lightly, but the snow's starting to go away a little bit. We're gonna make it below snow line pretty soon. If you look down there, you can almost see where we're going. No, you can't. It's still snowy everywhere.
That fog is starting to go away, though.
Yeah.
We're getting below it.
See the canyon? That's some of the red wall right there.
Hey, mates.
Hey, buddy, welcome to the top of the Grand Canyon.
Hallelujah. We made it.
Good job.
We're there. Made it up.
Oh, it's cold up here.
It's cold. I need to get to the car pretty quick.
Yeah.
Get a jacket on.
Paul's gonna be like a half hour behind us.
Half hour?
Maybe more.
That's not too bad.
Made it.
How